And when you grind with a skateboard, you put the skateboard crossways on the rail. And then you slide down on the steel. So you got to balance yourself on this thing. And they said, okay, it's dark. We can't see what you're doing. You know, you could fall down there, land in the bushes. We won't even find your body. And he said, don't worry. I have it all worked out. Just get all your cameras ready. So they had a camera here and a camera down here and a camera down there and a camera down here and a camera at the bottom. And he said, you only get one take on this. And they said, all right, we're ready. Then he lit a match and lit himself on fire. There he was, and he came zooming down, and it was spectacular. Just flames behind him, grinding, ba-doom, ba-doom, ba-doom. And he made it all the way to the bottom. And the last camera, next to the last cameraman down here says, oh man, you're in trouble. He landed down there, and he says, yeah, I made it. This is really cool. And the guy said, take a look at your ankles. And his ankles were just all burned and blistered, and the skin was all black. The rest of him wasn't burned at all. How did he do that? And evil Mr. Fred has his minions out there watching and waiting for them. And the minions are supposed to signal the fire people by banging their bats together so the fire people can go out and cook the popcorn folks. Now, if you're Jack and Jill, and you want to get past this up to Valhalla to meet Fauntleroy Thor, what would you do? First thing we're going to be burning is a piece of paper towel.
Fire!
Good job, Josh. Proud of you.
Nice, pretty.
New one, you get it all wet, squeeze the water out, and then mount that on your rack. Okay, I'm going to turn off the lights and then burn it up.
Alright, try and burn it. Just hit Lord. Whoa, blue fire. Burn. Whoa.
You need more power?
Yeah, can we have a blowtorch, please? We need propane.
Come over here, get a propane torch.
Is that all?
Yeah, David got Black Ops. Wait, we playing the campaign. You got Black Ops? Yeah.
You can just light these with the barbecue lighters.
Whoa, it didn't actually work.
Make sure it's good and wet. Might have to soak it for a while. If it doesn't work with the barbecue lighter, then try it with the torch.
Are we even turning the light off? Whoa, what does this mean?
Dip it in pure alcohol. Take it over with you and light it on fire. Try burning that.
Woo! Fire.
Now, your job is to take another piece of green paper and make it so it flames but doesn't burn up.
Indestructible.
Ah, we have success. There was flames on the paper and the paper is still there. I would use the barbecue lighter rather than the torch. You want it to not burn up.
Put it